Now, volunteers with Food Not Bombs will be able to continue handing out food to the homeless without being cited for it, at least for now. A federal judge ordered a temporary injunction, and that means for now the city cannot enforce its ordinance against feeding the homeless. The judge says that ordinance might violate the group's First Amendment rights. The group has already been given more than 90 tickets, totaling $192,000 in fines. Joining us right now to tell us more about this is volunteer John Locke, who is expected in court for his citation. So before we get more into that, John, will you tell us just a little bit about Food Not Bombs?
Hello and good morning. Thank you. So Food Not Bombs, we are a organization of a loosely group of volunteers that believe in sharing healthy vegan or vegetarian meals. We believe that the government should invest more money into the people of poverty, the homeless situation that we have, instead of investing so much money in the wars. The U.S. has spent about $80 billion they sent to Israel to help a genocide in Palestine. And, we believe that people should be spending the government should be spending their money on the people in the country and the people that are suffering here.
Well, just tell us, what is the citation that you were given? What was the reason for the citation?
It says for sharing food and violating the feeding ordinance. We've been sharing food for over 2 decades now in the same area. And this past year, we've been getting prosecuted for it. We've been receiving tickets for being good Samaritans and trying to fill in the gaps that the city hasn't been able to do.
What do you think the reason for them actually, what are they saying is the reason for them doing it? I mean, it would sound like a nice thing to do, feeding the homeless, but is it bringing crowds to the area? Is there bringing crime to the area? What's their reason for this?
I'm not really sure about their reasoning. I mean, they bring up things like trash and other little non-necessities, but it doesn't really make sense as far as we're concerned. We've been doing this, like I said, for multiple years without any problems, without any complaints about trash or food handling or the crowd.
Mm-hmm. So what are you going to do about this citation? I mean, obviously, it doesn't seem like it's stopped you yet if you've accumulated thousands of dollars, or if the group has accumulated thousands of dollars in fines.
Well, we're taking those to trial by jury. And, thus far, I mean, we keep getting reset on most of these cases. A lot of these cases have been dismissed. We have won a case as well. So far, the people have been speaking about how they feel that this law is unjustified and that we should be able to share food with the homeless.
When is your court date?
I have a court date in an hour.
An hour? Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to wrap this up soon then. But what do you expect to come from today then?
I expect more or less the same, another reset. We've received text messages saying that we didn't have to go to court, but then my lawyer said we did have to go to court, pending this federal case, the federal lawsuit that we have with the city for breaking our First Amendment rights for at least the past year, since March, when we've been receiving tickets. But I mean, since this law has been in effect under Anise Parker's administration about 12 years ago.
Do you think, I mean, are there other people that are going to be joining you in court today? Are they going to try to get the same thing with their citations, just get it reset?
Yeah, I mean, we have multiple days. Everyone doesn't have the same court date, but we have a few that do. So yes, we'll have a few of us over there. I mean, we're ready to go to trial by jury. We've been ready, but the city prosecutors hasn't been ready, hasn't been delivering the information that they need to deliver for the court. So we just wait on the city to do their job, even on that side.
All right, John Locke with Food Not Bombs. We appreciate you joining us this morning.
Thank you so much. You have a great morning.
Thank you. You too.